There are two types of keywords. Number one, the short tail keywords, which are usually based on 1 or 2 words, and the long tail keywords, which are usually a combination of 3, 4 or even more words. Hi, Osama Naseem is here with another video on search engine optimization. In the previous video, we have talked about what are search engines, how they work, what is search engine optimization, and why it is so important. So in this video, we will talk about the first step, which is the keyword research. If you haven't watched the previous 2 videos, just pause this video, go into the description and watch those videos first. So keywords are the particular words which people usually type in search box on Google. There are two types of keywords. Number one, the short tail keywords, which are usually based on 1 or 2 words, and the long tail keywords, which are usually a combination of 3, 4 or even more words. So how to find these keywords? There are different tools available which are either free or paid. So first we will discuss the free tools which are available for the keyword research. So the first tool is Google Keyword Planner, provided by the Google. So in this tool you will simply put your keyword and hit the enter, and then you will see the number of searches associated with that particular keyword and the competition. The competition means that how many people are already working on it. You don't always need to select those keywords which have high number of searches at high volume. You need to select the keywords which have even a bit less number of searches but low volume. So for this purpose, you can even select the long tail keyword. You can start with the long tail keywords which have less traffic but less competition. Since they have the less competition, that means it is easy to rank. Apart from this tool, you can use Google itself to find out the long tail keywords. When you start typing the long tail keyword, you will see the autocomplete will appear below your search query. That autocomplete is based upon the Google's algorithm, and they analyze that these are the most important searches which people usually do. So you need to take a very close look on those searches, and then you can find out the most relevant long tail keywords. So once you have find out a particular keyword, just click on the enter, and when you scroll down you will see the people also asked section, which is recently added by the Google. In this section you can see the different number of questions which are usually being asked on Google which are relevant to your keyword. So if you click on any particular question, it will scroll down the result with the answer, and it will show lots of more questions. So going through those questions, you can also identify the long tail keywords. Next, if you go down at the bottom of the page, you can see the relevant searches for your keyword. Again, this is the section which is based on Google algorithms, and Google find out that which are the most important key terms which are being searched by the people which are relevant to your keywords. So from there you can also pick up some new keywords. The next tool is Ubber Suggest. Ubber Suggest is an amazing tool. This tool is free. It not only provides the information about the number of searches, but it also provides the information that how many visitors each website is getting on first page and second page and so on. For example, if your website is on number 8, you can find out that what traffic you are currently getting, and if you move up to number 7, 6 and 5, what traffic you will be able to get. Next tool is Answer the Public. You need to write the Answer the Public URL in the search box and press enter. Then write your keyword on that particular website and press enter, and then you will find all the long tail keywords which are associated with that particular keyword. The next tools are paid, and on number 1 I would like to rank the Moz Keyword Planner. This is an amazing tool. You just need to put the keyword there, and it shows the number of visitors and the competition associated with that particular keyword, along with the lots of other information. The next tool is SEMRush. SEMRush is another great tool to analyze the competition and the visitor for a particular keyword. The next tool, which is one of my favorite, is Ahref. This is a great and amazing tool. With this tool you can find out the keywords which your competitors are using. You can find out their competition, their number of searches, and lots of other information. We can use these free tools as well as paid tools to do keyword research. In the next video tutorial we are going to talk about the on-page optimization. So if you want to learn about that as well, subscribe to our channel and keep watching. Thank you so much. Take care.